Alright, so today we have a PS5 that needs an HDMI port replacement. As I was looking at it a little bit closer, you can kind of tell there's some suspicious markings all up and down the fins. That to me kind of feels a little bit like there might be a bug issue. Even looking a bit closely at the white panels, you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. So let's dig into it and see what we can find. I've got most of the cleaning done by now. I got all the plastics cleaned up. I got the circuits for the power and eject button cleaned up, as well as the USB-C ports. The only thing left to do now is to replace the HDMI port, which as you guys can see is a little bit bowed out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that repair off camera, just because it's gonna be a little bit quicker for me. So let me get that taken care of and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got that PS5 cleaned up. I got that HDMI port replaced, as you guys can see. This is the bad one out here. And I got it cleaned up and looking pretty good. If you guys can look back to the first shot of the video where it was full of roach things. It's looking pretty clean. Alright, so with that PS5 cleaned, that HDMI port replaced, and everything put back together, I think that's where I'm going to call it for today's video. I hope the video was enjoyable, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!